If your CPU looks like it's about to start a BBQ, you're in desperate need of the Thermal Right Peerless Assassin 120 SE. This dual-tower side-flow CPU cooler is here to save the day. Designed for LGA 1700, 1200, AM4 and AM5 sockets, it's a versatile beast. With two powerful 120mm fans, it keeps your CPU ice cold, even during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. But it's not just about performance, it's whisper quiet too. Say goodbye to noisy distractions and hello to pure undisturbed immersion. And installation? It's a breeze, so you can get back to what you love faster. So, is the Thermal Right Peerless Assassin 120 SE the best CPU cooler? With its stellar cooling power, versatility, and quiet operation, it just might be. Upgrade your rig today and feel the difference.